Cabinet Minister Kyrmen has expressed concern over the trend of hate politics and lack of mutual respect among the political parties, which was evident in the polls. The recent polls has been aggressive polling and campaigning in Meghalaya, with political parties engaged in brickbatting. There were instances of violence during the polls. Expressing concerns, Shylla said that political parties and leaders respecting each other are very important. Making it clear that it does not consider this political opponent as enemies, Shylla urged opponents and aspiring candidates to refrain from hate politics.
The best and even aggressively, we have seen some parties start blaming each other, and the saddest part is that what I feel, my personal feeling is that telling something which is not correct to the public just to get the sympathy, just to get votes so that they will win the election, but in the end nobody can prove that whatever they have spoken is true, or whatever they have promised, it can be fulfilled. We have seen promise has been made from time to time from the start. This is the 11th election for for MLA.